little lammy. This is my job this weekend, is to keep all these guys alive till Saturday. There's only 3 legs. Oh, he loves Carter. Let's see. She's missing the one closest to you, right?
Yeah.
She is not going to enjoy sitting in the car. So we're tending Brooklyn and Rhett this weekend and their baby lamb. So here's Carter feeding the little baby lamb.
It's not mine.
It's not yours. It's his friend Rhett's. Rhett went on a camp out this weekend, and so he's feeding this little lamb for him. Rhett also spent a night with us because his parents went out of town. Oh, sorry, I'm not feeding. So he's a good little eater. We didn't used to feed our little lambs that much, did we, at a time? Like, we used to have a lot of little baby bum lambs.
Yeah, you have to hold like one in between your legs.
Yeah. And this was our little lamb setup. We had 2 little pens here. After a while, we got this. We used to house them in straw bales. Do you remember that? That was pretty horrible.
And sometimes they jump off.
Yeah.
Like jump on the...
Oh, they were crazy. That one little black lamb, that one year. Yeah. Anyway, so this little guy, he's missing a leg. Oh, you can't see him from this side.
It's on there.
Well, he's got like...
He's got it down to right here.
He's got 3/4 of... Oh, look, you can see his little... It looks like his little tail. That's his little funny foot.
No, the tail is his tail.
Yeah, I know, but it looks like a tail just hanging there. Anyway, he's still got a long tail. You know, the lambs had long tails when they were born. And they dock them off just so they don't get crud on them. Oh, your ball bite's all gone.
And then he doesn't see.
Yeah, there's his little leg. But he gets around pretty good. Hopefully he'll grow up and have a happy life, and somebody will eat him for Easter. I don't know. No, no, nobody will eat him for Easter.
Well, eventually they will.
Man, you are pretty dirty. Yeah, you better change.
Yeah.
Okay.